Let's see what we got, What is this? Ooh, yeah. We already know what those be. More Steffingtons. I should be wearing these now. South Beach, Miami joints. Oh, those are retail. Yeah. Oh, yep, the Fredericks. Yeah. Oh, I'm so sad that these got to go in here. What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to do the Travis Scott Jordan 1 unboxing detailed review. Peace and love, everybody. Today we have a very, very special review for you today. If they don't look amazing on foot, tell me, because I mean, on foot and in hand are two different worlds. I got a pair here too, you know what I'm saying? Kind of matches a little bit. Okay, let's take a look at these. And this time I went with the size 10, so I guess this is the 5th time I reviewed this sneaker, and I figured at this point these shoes should be perfected in 2023. I mean, going back to 2019, they were really good then. If you look at this video, I tried to like be fancy, and I thought that the person that sent me the shoe would be like, whoa, he's stepping in dirty snow with the Travis Scotts, and I figured no one else has done that. It was kind of funny. And the second time I did this, the production was way better. I even had Comac with me this time, and I used to really love this shoe. I mean, I've reviewed it so much, it's kind of got a little boring to me, and I think I have like one pair left. I have like a DS pair I've never worn that's supposed to be allegedly a retail pair, but who knows. But with these, the only thing that I noticed that I didn't like was on the tongue. I'll show it here in a second, that the Nike on the tongue kind of bled in, making the tongue little patch, where is it, a little too red. But overall the shoe looks really good, the structure is really good, and this review won't be as detailed as the other 4 because honestly I just don't care as much as I used to. And I mean, not about making the video, about the whole quality. I mean, like, look, that's not the most transitional, but it's good. But again, it's not really about having the best quality on your feet anymore. Like for me, it never was really like that. I just wanted good quality sneakers to review. But after wearing these, like practically wearing these for the past 5 years, my caring level has went down. It's plummeted, because it just doesn't matter when you're wearing these shoes. I mean, hell, I don't even wear 96% of these shoes that I've been collecting for the past 5 years anyway. Half of them I've got rid of. They're gone. There's really no reason to have 3 and 4 pairs of Travis Scott Mocha highs or lows. But I had to make this video today and publish it today, because 5 years ago was when I did the first pair of these. It wasn't my first pair of shoes I reviewed. It was a pair of black on black Easy Statics or something like that. But this one's very special because it was the first shoe. They were like, well, what do you want to do next? I was like, please send me the Travis Scott Mocha 1. This is when they were at the height of their popularity. There's a million videos going around about quality checks, and everybody was looking at the finest details. Look at my old videos. I'm going really, really deep in those videos as far as the qualities and the details and what makes them real or fake. But now, I don't even care. I really do not care. I've been wearing this pair, and it's just like any other Jordan 1, man. I'm being dead honest with you guys. It really does not matter anymore. Now, if you're looking to purchase this shoe, it's a little different. You probably want to find the best quality. But for me, I'm telling you guys, it doesn't matter. Overall, I will give this particular pair or batch about a 7.5, because I have seen better through the past 5 years. And I'm even doing this video backwards like I used to do them. We'll get into the on foot. Let's jump into the black light, but I'll do the on foot last like I used to do when I first started, because I didn't know what I was doing back then. And to tell you the truth, I really don't know what I'm doing now. But I can tell you there really wasn't much to find on the black light, which is a good thing. If there's not a lot of markings and misappropriated swooshes and things like that, it's all good. But let's see what they look like on feet.
Do you know what's your name?
Yeah, you said the Zor? The name is Zor bags?
Stop, yeah. Oh god, hold on.
We're just showing the sneakers here.
Yeah, Zor bags, yeah. Show me.
Oh God, I haven't had a good laugh like that in so long. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you.
Hold on, is that a full warehouse of shoes or is that just a closet? Some closet space. They're little sucky duckies. Y'all got some sucky duckies or what?
Tell like.
That's
Now they're gonna relax, man.